Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Riya Kanji. I make makeup and beauty videos on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I create this glam festive look step by step. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started the video. Starting with the eye, filling my eyebrows with Benefit Cosmetics Scar Brow in the shade 06. Next, using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel in the shade of dark brown. After that, I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying it to my eyelid to conceal uneven skin tone. Today I'm using this Revolution Sepix Extra Spice Shadow Palette for this look, taking with this shade called Sweet and Sour, blending it to my crease nicely. Then defining my crease with this shade called Flex to intensify my crease. Taking this shade called Enchanted, placing to my inner and outer corner. Now placing this shimmery shade to the center of the eyelid. Again blending two corners. You can complete this look as it is, but I am doing a little bit extra because of the festive season, so why not? Taking this chunky glitter and placing it to the center of the eyelid. It looks absolutely stunning, wiping all fallout with a wet wipe. Next, taking this black shade and tight lining my waterline and lash line and blending it well for a smoky kajal effect. To finish it off, I'm applying a coat of Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara to the upper and bottom lashes. For the base, applying Maybelline Fit Me and Super Stay Foundation all over my face. For contouring, I'm taking LA Girl Pro HD Concealer and adding dimension to my face, applying it to my underneath cheekbones, jawline, side of nose. Highlighting with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes, bridge of nose, forehead, middle of chin and Cupid's bow. And I'm looking horrible, but trust me, keep on blending everything nicely. And this dupatta is, oh god. This is the first time I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer and it's just blend like dream. Here I'm applying Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick as my blush in the shade Touch Up Spice and then blending it well. Applying Sugar Loose Powder to set my base. And setting my contour area using this Sugar Contour in the shade Tape Topper. Now it's time to apply falsies. To highlight my face, I'm using Revolution Sepix palette and applying it to the highest point of the face, top of cheekbones, chin, Cupid's bow, forehead, bridge of the nose, brow bone, and inner corner of my eye. Last but not the least, I'm applying Maybelline Superstay lipstick in the shade 230, wearing earrings and bindi. And that's finally it. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like this video and follow me on social media. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I love you all. Bye guys.